Welcome to World Review Zones and other videos. Today, we're reviewing the Black Personal Blender for juice, shakes, and smoothies, and trust me, it might just become your new favorite kitchen companion. First off, let's talk design. It's sleek, compact, and doesn't take up much counter space. The matte black finish gives it that modern, clean look that fits perfectly in any kitchen setup. Despite its small size, it feels sturdy. The materials are BPA-free, and the blending jar doubles as a to-go cup, super convenient for those busy mornings. Now, here's where it really shines: performance. The motor is surprisingly powerful for its size. It handles frozen fruits, leafy greens, and even ice with ease. I made a mango strawberry smoothie, and it came out ultra smooth, no chunks, no clogs. And it only took about 30 seconds. Also, it's relatively quiet compared to other blenders I've tried, so it won't wake up the whole house. Using it is super simple: just load your ingredients, twist, blend, and you're done. The one-touch operation is great for anyone who wants fast results without fuss. Cleanup: a breeze. Just rinse the blade and cup under warm water or toss them in the dishwasher, easy peasy. This blender is perfect for students, fitness enthusiasts, busy parents, or anyone looking to simplify their morning routine. It's affordable, efficient, and just gets the job done. All in all, the Black Personal Blender punches well above its weight. For the price and features, it's an awesome value and definitely worth checking out. If you're interested, I've dropped an Amazon link in the description, go take a look. And if you've used this blender, let me know your experience in the comments. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.